Like it? Where I hid the boxes of anti-aging cream.
Perhaps not quite as comfy as the diner chairs, but it is surprisingly... Ah! I can do...
What's happening?
Slow It Beauty Cream slows down the aging process and everything else it touches.
You idiot.
Chef Dinders.
Superstar to superstar, Nova's mixing it up in the kitchen. I'll be showing you how to cook, like I said I could. We'll make my fave banana smash up with extra blueberries. Cooking's easy. Probably. First, take 2 of these, spoons. Take a couple of, bananas. And those blueberries are the blueberries. Make sure you push them around the table a bit to really release the flavours. Whoops! Wrong way around. Then you press this. Simple! Turn it off! Turn it off! Awful, I feel all weird. My skin's prickly and hot, and I'm cross at everyone, and I don't want people to see me. No! My tummy feels like it's hiding in my pants. What is this? It sounds like embarrassment. Well, I don't like it. Make it stop!
So she does the wobbler show with a wibbly voice. It'll be fine. Nova doesn't know the meaning of embarrassment.
McLaren, I know what embarrassment means. It's horrible. I cannot be seen doing any wobbly embarrassing. Oh, look, ridiculous. This isn't absolutely awesome. It's absolutely awful. Cancel the gig. Don't worry. All in hand.
Calm down. You just have to stop Nova discovering we're doing the wobbler show long enough to find a way not to do the wobbler show.
Nova, can't wait to see you play the Waggleverse.
Doing that show, you definitely agree. Definitely do.
High five.
Ah, too slow!
Nova Jones Smoothie Face Packs. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Like and subscribe. Messy to make though. Your room will look like it's been dragged through a hedge backwards. I've already forgotten what that means because it sounds frightful. How about we do something else I'm absolutely awesome at? Ooh, something we've never seen you do before. Didn't you say you usually pilot the ship? Did I? You totally did. Did I? I'm sure of it. Great. In that case then, I did. And do. And can. So, this is the captain. He's called the captain and he's the ship's captain.
Oh.
And this is Sid. He's called Sid and he's the ship's... Sid.
Heidi!
So, you don't want to see me pilot the ship. My captain's the best. Smart, clever, he's got cat-like reflexes and super fast thinking. Isn't that right, Captain?
That's right.
He got all splattered by the slowy down cream when he sat in it all. It's made him go all slow-mo.
And his voice, it's so deep. Deep and smooth. We've got the hashtag, we all really want to see Nova driving now. Stop talking about that boring old slow captain. We're bored of that now. Nova driving now, trending. Okay. You won't embarrass yourself. You can't embarrass yourself. How am I going to get out of this one? Wait, if I stand still long enough, the show will get bored and go away.
Or is that wasps?
Whatever, we'll have a try.
I
Excuse me. I need a signature for one massive essential confetti cannon for Nova's gig that's definitely happening. To be the universe's greatest star, you've got to have real drive. And away we...
You're in reverse.
Look out for that planet! Which planet?
Oh, that one. Go forwards. Press the thingy. You know, on the do that. Oh, no. That was the Watson. Look out for that planet.
Which planet?
Press the whatchamacallit.
That one.
The captain was saying that one should never be pressed.
What's it do?
It turns on the ship's magnetic coils, which is fine as long as no one's wearing anything big and metally like that big metally bell you got on.
No, 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 no! Oh, hedge. Backwards, backwards hedge. Red, hot, red and hot. I've never been so embarrassed. I hate having floppy head hair. I hate being a big smoothie mess. I hate looking stupid. Oh, McLaren. At least I don't have to do that ridiculous wobbler show. Of course not. Or cancelled.
Nova! Can't wait for tonight! We're so close!
Another glitch. Ignore that.
Newsflash. Nova Jones preps for career-ending humiliation concert.
Well, perhaps we might be going, but no tickets have been sold yet.
We've got seats in the upper floor stadium. Pump it up, up, up.
Let me just assure you this has nothing to do with me.
Can a McLaren please sign for this confetti cannon that was auto-ordered for the Waggleverse gig that's definitely happening?
In that case, I refuse to sign.
Come back here, guy! My sister. So embarrassing.
Of course, the only honourable way out of this, hiding.
Captain, stop the ship or it'll be the end of my career. Quick!
I'm on
Is this low you downy vicey deepy cream?
Idea! The Wiblian planet makes your voice all wobbly. The cream will make it all even and mellow.
Put them together, Hans.
No embarrassing. At the Waggleverse show, I'll just sound smooth, not stupid and wibbly. Get me some, quick.